Hello everyone, this is Joe from Kanen Coffee, and today we have a Breville with us in the shop. Quite an interesting one. This is the red variant of the Breville Barista Express. Quite rare these days to find different colored versions of the Breville Barista. But I came in for a few things. Mainly, I believe it was GFCI popping, if I was not mistaken. But after opening it up, you can see here your solenoid assembly. So what this does is it shoots water through different routes of the machine. If you need it to brew, it goes one way. If you need it to steam, it goes another. If you need it to do hot water, it goes through a different route. And then also relieving back pressure. And so realized that it was leaking. You can kind of see a little bit of the water damage on the top, but replaced the entirety of it. And then on top of that, we did a tune-up because this machine, it was heavily used. Here's the gasket for the group head here. And so we replaced that, deep cleaned the inside of the group head, behind it, back flushed it, of course, to get that whole route all the way back through, and then descaled it. So descaled your thermal block, which heats up all the water for this machine. So we're gonna just quickly run water through it. The customer sadly didn't drop off the portafilter with us, and so we're just gonna run water, make sure everything's running well. So we're gonna let it run. The first 8 seconds is a less, sorry about that, I hit the single shot, but a less flow, just because it's wanting to do pre-infusion. Then it ramps up after around 8 seconds and pushes a lot of water through. And now, hot water, as you can see there, looking good. And then lastly, we're going to put the steam wand into the tray and we're going to run steam. So the first few seconds is going to be, water, just because the thermal block is heating up to temp, and then it's going to start pushing steam out. There you go. I'm going to let it warm more, but at this point the pump will kick on and you can feel that small amount of water that's getting pushed through it. And yeah, and that's about it for this repair. If you like this video or any of the other repairs on our channel, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.